How to enable or disable calendar lock time zone on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe up to go into the app screen. Now in here, tap on the calendar app. Then tap on the menu key. Next, tap on the settings icon. In the calendar settings page, scroll down, and in here, tap on lock time zone. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. When this is turned on, you can lock the time and date of event to your selected time zone. So in here, tap on time zone and select a time zone that you want to lock it to, and that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.